What is up guys? So this is it guys. This is update of Firelight 84. So uh time check tayo guys and date check. So 5:30 ng hapon, Tuesday, September 21, 2023. So guys no, so update ngayon ni Firelight. So titignan natin yung mga bago ngayon. Kung ano nga ba yung mga bagong ilalabas ni Firelight ng mga skin, kung ano yung mga bago. So tignan natin, let's see. So simulan na natin to guys. Start na natin to. So what's up guys no? So ayun nga no, so new season na naman. So season 12 this day guys. So legend tayo guys. So tignan natin kung saan tayo mapupunta. Saan tayo bababa. So tignan natin. Itatap lang natin tong up here to continue. So yun guys no, binigay. Ito yung binigay sa atin ngayong season 12. So itong ano na to, si Captain na skin. And then dalawang gold na ticket, and then elite 5, and then so click lang natin to. And then yun guys no. So patch notes version 14.4.2. So X lang natin. And natin to. So yun nga guys no. So update lang guys. So wala pa tayong battle pass, siguro bukas pa ata. So wala pa siyang update guys. So titignan na lang natin siguro tong lucky draw. Itong nasa lottery guys, tignan natin kung anong bago. So eto guys. So Stellar Force, Stellar Wind. Ito guys yung bago no. Tapos itong yung skin na orange. And then Jupiter. And then itong ano na to, gunboat, backpack, capsule, pads. And then itong trail, jetpack. Guys, jetpack trail, avatar, then frame again, and then background. And guys no, so naman tayo sa Shrek ba? Correct nyo na lang guys, hindi ko siya mabasa. So ito guys no, so ito yung bago ngayon. So tignan natin. And guys, so ito yung Bowata of you. Correct me guys if I'm wrong So hindi ko ano yung kung bow talaga o view yung pagkakabasa sa pangalan. And then Lucinda, ayan. Ganda ng effect ko. And then sa bow, pakaangas. Ayan. And then itong baril guys. Anong baril to? Basta guys, itong skin. Ito Jupiter. Halloween And then itong vehicle skin. Wow. Jetpack. Jetpack nga guys. And then trail again And then trail. And then avatar. Avatar again. And then avatar. And then avatar frame. So guys no, pansin ko lang pang Halloween lahat no. So advance na si Firelight ngayon. And guys, ayun yung bago ngayon guys. And then same pa din to. Same pa din. Wala naman nagbago. Yung elite wala din. So blazing ganun pa din. Ay ito guys, bago pala to guys. Blazing, clairvoyant radiation. Ayan. Ito guys, ano tawag dito, generator no. Yun ang generator. Ito naman sa white dwarf, si Yana, our spider. And then jetpack, heart ba? O nga. Trail again. And then another trail. And then another trail. And then avatar frame. And then ayan guys. So ayan. Try natin dito guys mag-draw. Na may ano tayo guys, 610 daya. So, testing lang natin one draw, no? Ayan. Oh, ang napakaangas. Ayoko na guys. Stop na this. And then, dito sa may... Ayun lang guys yung bago. Ito guys, try natin one draw. 9 lang naman. Ayun! Ang galing. Pads. That. So, continue lang natin. So, ayun lang guys. Ayan. Wala nang bago guys. So, tignan natin sa events. Wala. Wala pa rin guys. Walang bago guys. So, wala pa tayong battle pass guys. Siguro bukas balikan ko na lang kayo guys. I-update ko na lang kayo kung battle pass na ba bukas. Wala. Wala pa din. So, ngayon guys is time check ulit and date check. So 5:37 na ng hapon, Tuesday, September 21, 2023. So wala pang battle pass. So nga pala guys, so may bago pa lang ano si Firelight, no? Pwede na kayo magpalit ng profile. So click nyo to and then etong frame. And guys, etong avatar to, pwede na kayo magpalit ng costume nyo. So, click nyo lang yan. And then, lalabas na guys yung documents dito ng mga ano, kung saan yung, sinave yung picture na gusto nyong ilagay. So, sa akin guys, lalagay ko na lang, no, open. And then, yan guys. So, ito guys, nailagay ko na siya. So, click ko lang natin to guys. Ay, what's that? Uploading avatar, 3 days. 0 hours. Ayan, so use lang natin to. 3 days may time. Use lang natin. Anya guys, may time nga guys. Uploading avatar. Wait, I don't know what happened. But pero pwede na. So paglagay tayo ng sarili nating avatar. Na-customize natin. So sa frame, same pa din guys. Wala naman nagbago. Wala nang binigay. Ayan. Ito na lang siguro gamitin natin guys. Use na lang natin to. Then X lang natin. And then yan. So baba tayo sa ano. Sa 154 Legends. So yun lang guys na update, no. So balikan ko na lang kayo bukas. Or siguro pag naglabas na si Firelight ng Battle Pass, so update ko na lang kayo. See you guys. So yun. Ay gagi, ito na yung legend Ayan na. Tama na platinum. Ayan guys, so what's up guys? So time check ulit tayo, no? So 6:18 ng 6:18 Tuesday, September 21, 2023. So yun guys, no. Alas 6 ata sila nag-update ng Battle Pass and then sa ranking. So ayun guys, so balik na tayo sa platinum. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman So click natin tong Battle Pass, no. So tignan natin kung anong bago. Kung anong sino yung Battle Pass ngayong Season 12. So tignan natin guys. So click natin tong Battle Pass, no. So ayan guys, no. So Lucinda. Ali guys, tignan nyo na lang tong papakita ko and enjoy sa mga lalabas dito na kung ano mang items. So okay guys, so enjoy, keep watching.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in a deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
So yun guys, no, eto lang. So ngayon guys, bibili naman natin tong battle pass na to. So unlock lang natin to guys. So click lang natin to, and then ayun guys, so click lang natin doon 499 to buy this battle pass. So click natin yan, use 499 to unlock superior battle pass. This is fancy. So superior battle pass, okay. Tignan natin yung mga mission. So sweet guys, ayan yung daily mission tapos na pala. So guys, na lang tatapusin natin. So back lang natin, back. And then guys, no, so nagbago din guys ng konti yung voice ni Maggie, no. So tignan natin guys. So parang yung voice ano niya,
The show
Ayun
is
na, guys,
about
oh.
to start.
kita nyo yan guys.
My speed has never failed anyone.
Ayun guys, nagbago yung voice.
The show is about to start.
Ayun guys, no. So kita nyo naman.
Yahoo! That makes 1,000 pizzas delivered. My speed has never failed anyone.
So guys, kung paano naman tong makuhang Maggie na to, so dito lang yan guys, no. So asa na yun? So dito tayo sa event. And guys, so may kita nyo, sign in 7 days para makuha nyo tong Maggie for free guys. So parang yung ano lang, yung Ember lang na Mr. Clean yung datingan, yung parang ganun lang guys, na 7 days na araw-araw ka lang mag sign in, tapos makuha mo na tong Maggie na to na skin. So guys, for free guys. So click lang natin tong sign in for this today, for today. So click lang. And guys, so for tomorrow, click nyo lang din yan hanggang mapunta kayo dito sa ang itong araw. So 1 week siya guys. So natin yan. And guys, no. So guys, yun lang siguro yung bago ngayon. So guys, nagtataka kayo kung paano yung ano nga pala, yung bakit hindi siya tumatakbo ng walang hawak na baril. Alam niyo yung guys, yung parang hindi nyo matanggal yung baril sa kamay ng karakter nyo. So hindi kayo makatakbo ng maayos. So dito lang yan guys sa ano, sa settings guys, keyboard and mouse, and then custom bind key. So guys, mapapansin nyo guys, dito guys, saan ba yun? Ito yun guys. So ito guys, holster weapon. So kanina guys, letter X to guys. So click lang natin. Ayan guys, nakaganyan lang, nakaganyan X. Ito guys, so baguhin nyo na lang. So kung dati na double click nyo sa 1, ngayon iba na guys, nilagyan na ng X. Ayan guys, no. So para sa akin guys, nakakailang siya, pero kailangan natin itong baguhin. If ever na hindi kayo sanay sa X, depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong baguhin dito. Pero sa akin guys, ito lang, katabi lang ng 1, yung unahan ng 1. So ayan guys, so kinlik ko na lang yan. So para pag click ko, hindi na ako maiilang sa pag-change ng gun, sa pagtakbo. Ayan. So yun lang guys, no. So yun lang yung bago ngayon. And then nakita nyo na kanina yung ano, yung sa lucky draw sa dito guys, nakita nyo na to kanina. Nakita ko na din to. Ayan, bago. So yun lang guys, yung update ngayon. So sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, comment, pakishare na rin tong video guys para malaman din ng iba kung paano magpalit ng kung ano yung bago pala guys, no? So, yun lang for today's video. Peace out.
And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la. You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it.